Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Peasy English. In today's very practical and important episode, we are going to practice something that can feel scary for many English learners. The title of today's lesson is Immigration Conversation, Easy English Speaking Practice for Beginners. If you have ever traveled abroad, or if you dream about traveling, studying, or working in another country, you will probably go through immigration at the airport. For many beginners, this situation feels stressful. The officer speaks English, the questions are direct, the environment is serious. But don't worry. Today, we will practice step by step so you can feel calm and confident. First, let's understand something important. Immigration officers usually ask simple and standard questions. They are not trying to trick you. They just want clear information. So strategy number 1 is keep your answers short, clear, and honest. You do not need long explanations. Simple sentences are perfect. Let's begin with the most common question. Officer, what is the purpose of your visit? You, I'm here for tourism. Or, I'm here for a business trip. Or, I'm here to visit my family. Notice how short the answers are. You don't need complicated grammar. The structure is simple. I'm here for, or I'm here to. Now let's practice another common question. Officer, how long will you stay? You, I will stay for 1 week. Or, I'll stay for 10 days. Or, I'm staying for 2 weeks. Here is a tip. Practice saying numbers clearly. Many learners feel nervous when saying dates or durations. Practice saying 5 days, 2 weeks, 3 months, clearly and confidently. Next common question. Where will you stay? You, I'll stay at a hotel in the city. Or, I'll stay at my friend's house. Or, I have a reservation at the Grand Hotel. Again, keep it simple. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many beginners think they must speak perfect English at immigration. That is not true. Officers are used to different accents and simple English. They care more about clarity than perfection. So strategy number 2 is speak slowly. It is okay to pause for 1 second before answering. Slow English is clear English. Let's practice a full short dialogue. Officer, good afternoon. May I see your passport? You, yes, of course. Here it is. Officer, what is the purpose of your visit? You, I'm here for tourism. Officer, how long will you stay? You, I will stay for 7 days. Officer, where will you stay? You, I'll stay at a hotel in the city. Officer, enjoy your stay. You, thank you. Simple, polite, clear. Now let's talk about possible follow-up questions. Sometimes the officer may ask, do you have a return ticket? You, yes, I do. Or, yes, my return flight is on March 15th. Are you traveling alone? You, yes, I am. Or, no, I'm traveling with my wife. Do you have anything to declare? You, no, I don't. Practice answering yes/no questions confidently. Don't add extra information unless necessary. Now let's look at a case example. Imagine Ahmed is traveling for the first time. He is very nervous. He studies English grammar for years, but he never practiced speaking. At immigration, his mind feels blank. Why? Because he memorized rules, not real-life conversations. So here is strategy number 3. Practice real scenarios out loud. Don't just read silently. Speak the answers. Role play. Pretend you are at the airport. The more you simulate the situation, the calmer you will feel in real life. Let's do a longer role-play practice. Officer, what do you do for a living? You, I'm a teacher. Or, I work as an engineer. Or, I'm a university student. Officer, is this your first time visiting? You, yes, it is. Or, no, I've been here before. Officer, how much money are you bringing? You, I have about $1,000. When answering financial questions, stay calm. Just answer directly. Now, let's talk about pronunciation tips. Words like passport, purpose, visit, business, and tourism are common at immigration. Repeat them slowly. Break them into syllables if needed. For example, passport, purpose, visit, business. Another useful strategy is learning fixed phrases. For example, here it is. Yes, that's correct. Let me check. Just a moment, please. These small phrases make you sound more natural. Now let's discuss body language. Stand straight. Make eye contact. Smile politely. Even if your English is simple, confident body language makes a big difference. Here is another case example. Maria traveled to another country for study. She prepared by practicing immigration dialogues every day for 1 week. At the airport, she felt nervous, but when the officer asked questions, she recognized them immediately. She answered calmly. After it was over, she realized something important. Preparation reduces fear. Now let's practice a more detailed conversation. Officer, why did you choose this country? You, I've always wanted to visit because I'm interested in the culture. Or, I'm here for a short business meeting with my company's partner. Officer, where is your hotel located? You, it's in downtown near the main station. Notice we are still using simple grammar. You do not need advanced vocabulary. Now let's talk about mistakes. If you don't understand a question, you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Sorry, I didn't understand." It is better to ask politely than to guess incorrectly. Here is your daily practice plan. Day 1, practice basic questions and short answers. Day 2, practice full short dialogues. Day 3, practice speaking without reading. Day 4, record your voice and listen. Day 5, practice again with more confidence. Repeat this cycle. Repetition builds fluency. Remember, immigration conversations are structured. They follow a pattern. Once you know the pattern, it becomes easy. Now let's imagine your future self. You arrive at an international airport. You feel calm. The officer asks questions. You answer clearly. The conversation lasts only 2 or 3 minutes. You walk away feeling proud. That confidence comes from preparation. Speaking English in real life is not about using difficult words. It's about communicating clearly in important moments. Immigration is one of those moments. So practice these dialogues. Repeat them. Customize them with your own information. Say your job, your travel purpose, your stay duration. Make it personal. Before we finish, repeat after me. I can speak clearly. I can answer simple questions. I am prepared. I am confident. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Thank you for practicing with Easy Peasy English today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and get ready for your next international adventure. See you in the next episode.